Hey y'all, happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, August the 25th. I am actually taking a week off on a vacation. My birthday was Saturday. I am 55 and alive. Yes, indeed. So, just went out to Walmart and, where else? Anyway, I took my brother to the store. So I got some Sanderson's Farm chicken wings. They're on sale this week for $1.97. Got some boneless chicken breasts. We're looking to have some bad weather. So I figure I'd get up early in the morning and make some chicken salad sandwiches and put it in a bowl in the cooler in case anything happened and we can eat off of it for at least a whole day. I got a package of pork chops. They were $4.74. I got some Lipton onion soup. Got my son some more Louisiana hot sauce. He wanted kidney beans, so I got him some trappies. I like to go ahead and use these instead of using my camellias when I do chili beans. So I got some Vienna sausages. I asked my son, did he like them? He says he's never eaten them. It's just not something that I buy. I got some Rotel Tomatoes because I put that in my chili beans. I got 2 cans. I'm not sure if I'm going to need both of them. And I got the tomato sauce, 2 of those, and also diced tomatoes to go in there. And I got some Mrs. Paul jumbo sticks. And I got a pack of ground beef chuck to make the chili beans with. I also got some toilet bowl cleaner. It's a little tablets to put out in your toilet. And I got some Lysol for the tub. So I'm on vacation, and what I've been doing, I've been decluttering, and I just took a big bag of clothes and shoes to my niece, and I'm still not finished. And y'all know I sell on eBay too, so I'm decluttering and reorganizing. And I realized I had a whole bunch of home decor that I'm never going to use again, so I'm going to take that over there to her too and see if she wanted to use that. If not, she could just put it in a box to get to Goodwill or whatever. That's all I want to come on and say hi. We're expecting bad weather, like I said. I had just got an alert on my phone, and it was saying to get your supplies, your flashlights, your batteries, your medications, just in case we lose power and we're, won't have service for up to 72 hours. And then I saw some of the utility trucks were parked, in anticipation of being called out. So everybody be careful, be safe. Don't go out trying to get anything once they tell you to stay at home. So that's why I went out to get some of the things I thought that I might need, like flashlights and stuff like that. We have that. I have all kind of candles, and I have boxes of matches. Only thing I have to do is in the morning when I drop my son off at school, I'm gonna go get a prescription that I have to pick up, and I'm probably going to get some ice just in case. Go ahead and get some ice and put some water in it. Even if we don't go without power, we have cold water. We're always going to drink that. So that's it. I just want to come on and say hi. I hadn't been on in a while. Welcome all my new subscribers. Everything over here is love. If you have any questions about anything, just let me know. I will come on. I have some things I want to discuss later, but the first part of my week, I'm actually just concentrating on decluttering in my home. And the second part, you'll probably get some videos later on in this week. And then a little bit more consistency. But we'll go over that a little later. Y'all, be blessed. Much love. Bye. Right.